Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus S and locate Windows Explorer. Right-click it, choose Restart. This reloads the shell and often restores icons. Once done, open Settings Personalization taskbar and make sure Auto Hide, small icons, and locking are set as you prefer. Incorrect combinations can hide items. If the taskbar still misbehaves, note what changed before the issue started. That clue narrows the next steps. Now repair deeper issues. Open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These replace corrupted system files that break the taskbar. Next, close Explorer and delete the icon cache. DB and taskbar cache and %local app data %, then restart Explorer to rebuild those files. If the problem persists, update or roll back display drivers because GPU driver conflicts often cause rendering problems. Make sure to reboot after driver changes to apply them fully. Finish by checking whether the issue is profile-specific. Create a new user account and log in. If the taskbar works there, your original profile is corrupt and you should migrate data. If not, reinstall UI or shell components from Settings, Apps Optional Features, and consider a system reset as a last resort. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts, collect exact error behaviors, and then perform a targeted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.